Oh yeah, I know. Like even in my country, you know, always you have to be aware. People like always can do snatching, you know. So it's like even when I'm walking in Vietnam, I tie it like in my hand. If somebody takes it,
It's amazing.
so just, yeah, for sure. But this is the road, the Magh Mela. It's good. This is this is where the police.
From here they control all
Okay.
the area.
Wow. So this is why a lot of police are coming here.
Yeah. BSF, all the para forces
Wow.
are roaming here and there.
They
Some
can-
in dress, some in normal public dresses.
Yeah.
So that
Wow.
they take full control.
So this is like there's a lot of tents.
Yes.
Some tents, some toilets. People are setting up toilets there. Wow. Yeah.
Now it's going away.
Yeah.
Before here many shops.
Yeah.
Many shops, many tents. We came little late. That's why they are removing actually the bamboos and tents.
Everything is getting packed up.
Little by little it is getting packed up. This
So-
is the hospital. This was the hospital area.
Oh yeah.
Hospital.
Wow.
Can you see there? This is the exhibition market. See, these are the furnitures.
Furniture and okay.
Many tents
So-
went out.
So people in the tents also they can get the furniture and then they renting.
Not renting, it's for selling.
Okay. They buy it.
They came from generally from Saharanpur.
Yeah.
Saharanpur is the wooden market of India.
Okay. So and then after they finish they just leave it here.
No, they will take it.
Some of
They
them.
will take it. Some of them they will leave it. Some of them
Okay.
they
Mostly they sell product, they will sell it then.
see. This is the second exhibition.
Wow.
These are the exhibition areas. Here and this is handloom exhibition. These are all exhibition area. We have to roam around here
Yes.
for a while. Here you will get the handloom products and sarees and all
Ah.
kinds of local stuff.
Yeah. I can see. I will have to try some sugarcane also.
Definitely.
Yeah. It's like a aditya nut.
They made the Chandrayana with bamboo. See?
Oh wow.
Oh yeah.
They make it out of dung?
Out of bamboo.
Bamboo.
From bamboo.
The ISRO. Wow. It's
They
amazing.
made the Ram Mandir from the bamboo. The structure of Ram Mandir. You can see there.
Wow. It's looking so like real.
This is also the
Yeah.
market.
I can see some sadhus already is around.
Sadhus are mostly here. Sadhus are very little in numbers. They are mostly in bank of the Ganges,
Yes.
Sangam.
Okay.
We are heading towards that direction,
Yeah.
where you will get to see
Krishna. So the other one had like aditya nuts. You know the
Adityanath,
yeah.
Yogi Adityanath.
Yeah, Yogi Adityanath. I see him there like the one exhibition before.
That
Yeah.
is of Hindu Parishad.
Okay.
It's a community. So they came here to promote the culture.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
this is the exhibition of railway, Indian railways.
Oh yeah. Indian Railway over there. Oh wow. Man.
These are the local stalls.
It's
And
so
everywhere you will get good items.
yeah. It looks like
Handmade by local people.
yeah. So much like you can see, you know, some distance. Everywhere, so much variety.
This is the area of what would I say?
Saraswati now.
So many Jula Hall.
platinum.
electronic
Electronic.
play bank, something
type of
like that. Chula. We call it chula. I don't know what.
Oh, so it's like fair. Okay, like merry-go-round,
The
rolling chair.
magician. And
Okay,
those
like
kinds
circus.
of things. Circus. More
Yeah.
than the circus.
Okay,
The
wow.
aquarium, little bit kind of aquarium.
Something for everyone, eh? So
The
wonderful.
children feels very lucky to be here.
Ah.
Very joyful.
Definitely, my timing is so good. I came so much the right time.
Yeah.
Yes, when this is happening. But yeah, so many options. Sorry. You were going to say something?
Am I good? Am I
No,
saying?
you were going to say something, you know. You were about to say something before I interrupt you.
Yeah, but something I get.
Yeah. Yeah.
Magician, magic show is going on, aquarium is going on.
Yeah.
Kinds of chula,
Wow.
kinds of electronic
Baraka would love this so much. He loves these kinds of rides, you know. He would love to go on this.
Next time, definitely he will come.
Yeah, one day.
Definitely he will.
He will
See,
see
the bell is
this.
ringing.
Yeah,
It sounds good.
just for him.
Positive, yes.
Yes. Wow. So much color. So colorful. Shiva. I know, it's like it's looking so nice, you know, when you see all the tents up there. So many tents out in the distance. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to come out this side because the cars, you know. So many cars. But yeah, all this, wow. Such a big tent village. Tents everywhere.
It's not village.
No,
Just
no.
for 48 days,
Yeah.
it become like this.
Oh, it's a
Because
tent city.
People are coming from all over the places to be here.
Yeah.
They leave the richness in their home and then be here as a
Come to experience something. Yeah. I think Sadhguru was saying like 80 million people, 8 million people want to experience still something more, you know? So it's just wow when you look at it.
We call it the celebration of the hope.
Yeah.
Festival of hope.
Hope.
Hope to see something which is beyond.
So why you have to get out before you have to pay something?
Nothing like that. We have to walk our land.
Oh.
Now he is bring us to dip the water.
So you walk where?
Now is see how much sunny also. Little long. We have to go that area. That much long.
Okay. So why you get out before?
No, actually that is sloping. No?
Okay. Too heavy. Too heavy. Okay.
That is the reason.
I thought maybe you're going to pay something. I can also walk, you know. It fits me too much. Too much well.
This is South Indian architecture temple.
Okay.
We call that Neelkanta Meenakshi Sundareswara temple.
Oh yes. I know that one, like very tall. Very spiritual temple.
अरे जाइए मुझ से कितना दूर नाव में जाओगे नाव में जाएंगे फिर संगम में हम लोग बोल रहे
जाना तो है, कितना लेंगे ये
हो आपका
बताइए।
प्रेम होगा दे देंगे
अरे बताइए पहले आप अपना प्रेम बताइए।
जैसे जैसे ग्रुप में जाएंगे पर्सनल बोर्ड करेंगे बोर्ड में 10 लोग 12 लोग करके जाते हैं
अच्छा,
अगर ग्रुप में जाएगा 220 लगता है 110 जाएगा
कहाँ तक घुमाएंगे? हमें मेन संगम तक देखना है
वहाँ जाएगा अलग पॉइंट दिखाएंगे गंगा जमुना सब कुछ पानी दिखाएंगे
Some water.
और नहाना भी वहीं है।
भाई स्नान में जबर स्नान के तब रोके रहेंगे नाव नहा धो के लेके आएगा छोटा दर्शन करा देंगे
कितना लेता है
3 लोगों का ना?
पर पर्सन 220 लगता है एक बोर्ड नहीं बहुत बोर्ड वाले वहाँ
नहीं नहीं
कुछ सही है, हम अच्छा रहे हैं।
एक बोर्ड नहीं हजारों बोर्ड वाले पता करे तब मेरे साथ चलना ही मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरे साथ चलिए
हम कहाँ कह रहे हैं आपके साथ? बात कर रहे हैं।
भैया है ना भैया
भैया को खूब पीट रहे हो।
भैया को पता है मैंने तो बात
बता करेंगे हम बता
साइड भैया को पता है
साथ होते बोल देते लंका के लंका सीधा तो
So he's giving some help with the direction.
No, he's asking for boating.
Okay.
So we are asking how much did you charge?
Ah. Wow.
going on bargain
Or you are going to charge from us?
Yes.
That's the conversation that is happening.
Okay. So 40 is like
boating
okay.
in reverse we will go to by walk
Okay.
and we will go to Allahabad
Yes. I understand now. You have to dive in
That
the
is
water.
the food.
Ah. Wow.
I
Okay.
don't know if it is open.
Hmm.
भैया खुला है, अंदर जाने देंगे क्या?
टेम्पल मंदिर देखो
नहीं इधर नहीं है, वो जो अंदर की तरफ जाने
किला किला
खुला है। इसी वजह से खुला है। The port is open and now
That's cool.
till 6 in
Wow.
the evening.
The port is for
Allahabad
okay.
during the
Whoa.
fighting now.
There's like when I watched a movie, there's an Indian lady. She was fighting for freedom. You know,
झांसी रानी
I think
Jhansi
so.
Ki Rani.
Yeah, and like yeah, so strong. You know, I don't remember where she is from. You know, but yeah.
Lakshmi Bai.
Actually, right.
रानी लक्ष्मी
Rani Lakshmi Bai.
She was the one. Yeah.
his kids also defeated him by white horse
Okay. Because I remember
This
she.
fort not belongs to that story.
Ah.
This fort not belongs to that story.
Okay.
That story is different. It is
Is
in
it South
Jhansi.
India?
In Jhansi.
Ah.
North India, but in Jhansi.
Jhansi.
Where Osho's home is.
Okay. Ah. Oh. We're here at the Magh Mela. So next year is the Kumbh Mela, Kumbh Mela. So that's a big one, Maha Kumbh Mela. So many people, anybody who is anyone in the spiritual world will come here for the opportunity to experience something more. Where the three rivers, River Yamuna, River Ganges, and the Saraswati River, they meet, and there's different colors. So if you take a dip there is a vortex which gives you a possibility for experiencing something beyond, or what you can call as spiritual. So many people every year come here at this time, over 48 days. I will link a video talking about this, and yeah, so we're gonna go and see how it is. This place, you can see so much entertainment going over there, for so much possibility, I will say, because the music also has a possibility. So people all over, they're coming. Nearly 80 million people every year coming over 48 days just to be able to experience something. So you make yourself available. If you can dip yourself in the water, there is a possibility. So we've come to experience or witness how it is. This place spread out so far. A lot of tents. People have built tents everywhere, if you have seen in the video, just to experience it, you know. So many people, rich people, they come and build a tent. So this is where I am, Prayagraj, Allahabad. If you want to explore one day, around February and March, you know, this is the time. Yes. So we're looking at this.
ये भैया ये 10 के है, ये वाला 10 के दो, ये 10 के दो है, 10 के एक है। अब जो आप कहिए कितना दे भैया? 30 के नहीं, 10 के दो ये वाला कितना दे?